We're here at the Hueneme Beach Car Show 2026. Set up early morning, guys. Check it out, car fam. Roll out here. How you doing?
Did someone make your power screen movie?
Yeah.
Okay. Like local guy?
The lineup has started. Oh, check this out. That's a cool bike.
It's still running a little bit hot. But see, also too, what I did is I'm pulling the tranny.
Check it. All the food trucks showing up. The vendors. Music is starting. Gig starts at 10 to 3. Look at these setups. Look at this. Beautiful cars out here today. Everybody's setting up their rides right now. The rolling times.
Where's the man for the hour?
Was that Gabe?
Yeah.
I don't know if he's coming today.
All the dope cars that are here. All these classics. These are bad. We got Bomb Life, we got Cruisers here. And this is just the beginning. It's gonna line up, car fam. Don't worry. If you missed a car, we're walking back down the same line. Don't worry. Got another lot to get, and this is just the beginning of the flow. Wow, look at this. I haven't seen this one before. This is new to the event. Look at this beautiful Impala. Wow. Check it. This is just the lineup. We still got that parking lot to fill back there. Look at these cars, beautiful. Love this one. Love that one. I wouldn't mind having any of these cars, car fam. Check it. Come support the vendors. Vendors and food trucks. Come support them. Check out some clean rides. enjoy people's builds and good music, good atmosphere. Hi, beautiful. Look at this. And we still got cars up there. Let's walk this next lot. Let's zigzag through these.
This one was a little better, but it just did it right now when we drove.
Oh, yeah?
We stopped for a while, and then it turned over, but it didn't want to. You know what I mean?
Ooh, look at these. Look at it, car fam. We'll come back to this, don't worry. I'm gonna hopefully get a lot of content today. This beauty. These are all the people just getting set up, man. Early birds.
I know, I could just go, what the fuck?
Hello.
You said what?
Go Niners. Look at these. Look at this three-wheel. This one was trailered in. Wow.
Got it.
Look at the beautiful bikes. The It bike. She's always a winner. Youngster gets mad trophies. Can't forget Depeche Mode's ride. The DJ of the hour. Can't forget that. Look, the DJ, the man of the hour. How you doing, brother?
Hey, how's it doing?
Doing yourself?
You all right?
All the clean bills, all people's time and that. Big old truck. Nocturnal with their rides. You guys lift this one?
Yep.
Wasn't it lowered before?
It was on bags, yeah.
Yeah, I've seen
There
this
was
one. You
like,
guys park by, you